Imagine waking up to find your bank account has grown while you slept. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, for many successful affiliate marketers, this is their reality. And it all starts with a blog. Affiliate marketing through blogging isn't just a pipe dream. It's a real, tangible way to earn money online. But here's the kicker. It's not about get-rich-quick schemes. It's about building something meaningful, something that resonates with people. I remember when I first started my blog, I was just a guy with a passion for sharing ideas. I had no clue about affiliate marketing, but as I learned and grew, I discovered the incredible potential of combining blogging with affiliate partnerships. Suddenly my hobby became a viable business model. And the best part? I was helping people while earning money. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Are you prepared to turn your passion into profit? Let's get started on your path to affiliate marketing success. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips on affiliate marketing and blogging. Blogging isn't just about sharing your thoughts with the world. It's a powerful tool in your affiliate marketing arsenal. Why? Because a blog gives you a platform to connect with your audience on a deeper level. It's not just about selling products, it's about building relationships. When you blog, you're not just another faceless entity on the internet. You become a trusted friend, an advisor, someone people turn to for guidance. Think about it. When was the last time you bought something based on a random ad you saw? Now compare that to a time when you made a purchase based on a recommendation from someone you trust. That's the power of blogging and affiliate marketing. You're not just pushing products, you're sharing valuable information, solving problems, and genuinely helping people. And when you do that consistently, people start to trust you. They value your opinion. They look forward to your content. Blogging allows you to target specific niches. You can focus on topics you're passionate about and attract an audience that shares those interests. This targeted approach is gold in affiliate marketing. Trust is the cornerstone of successful affiliate marketing. Without it, all your efforts will fall flat. But how do you build trust through a blog? It starts with authenticity. Be real, be honest. Share your genuine experiences with the products you're promoting. If something has drawbacks, mention them. Your audience will appreciate your honesty, and it will make your positive recommendations all the more powerful. Consistency is another key factor in building trust. Regular high-quality content shows your audience that you're committed and reliable. It doesn't mean you need to post every day, but find a schedule that works for you and stick to it. Transparency is also vital in building trust. Be upfront about your affiliate relationships. Let your audience know that you may earn a commission from the products you recommend. Most readers appreciate this honesty, and it doesn't deter them from making purchases. Focus on providing value before asking for anything in return. This approach takes time, but it builds a solid foundation for long-term success in affiliate marketing. Creating content that converts is both an art and a science. It's not enough to simply list product features. You need to tell a story. Show your readers how a product can solve their problems or improve their lives. Use your own experiences. If you've used the product, share specific examples of how it helped you. This personal touch makes your content more relatable and persuasive. Remember, people don't buy products, they buy solutions to their problems. So focus on the benefits, not just the features. Don't be afraid to use different content formats. While written reviews are great, consider adding videos, infographics, or comparison charts. Lastly, always include a clear call to action in your content. The key is to make your reader feel like they're making an informed decision, not being pressured into a purchase. SEO, your traffic-driving superpower. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is your secret weapon for driving traffic to your affiliate blog. It's how you get found by people actively searching for the products you're promoting. But SEO isn't about stuffing keywords into your content. It's about creating valuable, relevant content that answers people's questions. When you do this consistently, search engines will recognize your blog as a helpful resource and rank it higher in search results. Start by understanding your audience. What questions are they asking? What problems are they trying to solve? Use tools like Google's Keyword Planner or Answer the Public to find popular search terms related to your niche. Then create content that addresses these queries. But remember, always write for humans first, search engines second. On-page SEO is crucial. Use your target keywords naturally in your titles, headings, and throughout your content. But don't overdo it. Keyword stuffing will hurt your rankings and turn off readers. Ensure your blog loads quickly, is mobile-friendly, and has a clear structure that's easy for search engines to crawl. Use internal linking to help search engines understand the structure of your site and to keep readers engaged with more of your content. Remember, SEO is a long-term game. 3 game-changing tips for aspiring affiliate bloggers. Tip 1. Choose your niche wisely. Your niche is the foundation of your affiliate blog. It should be something you're passionate about, but also something with profit potential. Look for a balance between your interests and market demand. A good niche has enough interested people to provide a steady audience, but isn't so oversaturated that it's hard to stand out. Research thoroughly before settling on a niche. Look at competitors, search volumes for related keywords, and available affiliate programs in that area. Tip 2. Focus on building an email list from day one. Your email list is your most valuable asset as an affiliate marketer. It allows you to communicate directly with your audience, build relationships, and promote products effectively. Start collecting emails as soon as you launch your blog. Offer a valuable freebie, like an ebook or a mini course, in exchange for email addresses. Then nurture your list with regular, valuable content. Don't just send promotional emails. Share tips, insights, and personal stories. Tip 3. Diversify your income streams. While affiliate marketing can be lucrative, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Look for ways to diversify your income. Different income streams often complement each other, creating a more robust business model. From zero to hero, a real-life affiliate marketing success story. Let me tell you about Sarah, a stay-at-home mom who turned her passion for healthy living into a thriving affiliate marketing business. Sarah started her blog, Green Living Mama, as a way to share her journey towards a more eco-friendly lifestyle. At first, it was just a hobby. She'd write about the organic products she used, the healthy recipes she tried, and the sustainable practices she implemented in her home. As her blog grew, Sarah realized she could monetize her content through affiliate marketing. She started by promoting the products she already used and loved. She wrote detailed reviews, created comparison posts, and shared her honest experiences. Sarah's authenticity shone through in every post, and her readers appreciated her genuine approach. Within a year, Sarah's blog traffic had grown significantly. She was earning a steady income from affiliate commissions, enough to contribute meaningfully to her family's finances. But more importantly, she was making a difference. Today, 5 years after starting her blog, Sarah's Green Living Mama brand is a 6-figure business. The perfect blend combining passion and profit. The beauty of affiliate marketing through blogging is that it allows you to combine your passions with profit. It's not just about making money. It's about creating a lifestyle that aligns with your values and interests. When you blog about topics you're genuinely passionate about, it shows in your content. Your enthusiasm is contagious, and it draws readers in. They can feel your authenticity, and that builds trust faster than any marketing tactic ever could. But passion alone isn't enough. You need to find the sweet spot where your interests intersect with market demand. This is where research comes in. Look for niches that have a good balance of competition and opportunity. Too much competition can make it hard to stand out, but too little might indicate a lack of market interest. Tools like Google Trends can help you gauge interest in different topics over time. Look for niches that show steady or growing interest. Once you've found your niche, dive deep, become an expert, read everything you can, try different products, and form your own opinions. The more knowledgeable you are, the more value you can provide to your readers. Taking the leap, starting your affiliate marketing journey. So you're convinced that affiliate marketing through blogging is the path for you. Great, but where do you start? The first step is to just begin. Don't let perfectionism hold you back. Your first blog post doesn't need to be a masterpiece. What matters is that you start creating content and building your online presence. Remember, every successful blogger started with 0 followers and 0 posts. The key is to start and to keep going. Choose a blogging platform that suits your needs. WordPress is popular for its flexibility and SEO-friendly features. But platforms like Wix or Squarespace can be good options if you want something simpler to start with. Pick a domain name that reflects your niche and is easy to remember. Then start creating content. Focus on quality over quantity. It's better to publish one well-researched, valuable post a week than to churn out daily content that doesn't offer much value. Ready to start your own blog and explore affiliate marketing opportunities? There's no better time than now. Take the first step today and watch your online presence grow.